Thank you very much, Asibonge Baba. Size la for ukuzonikeza ngeinsiza for abantwana besikolo. Within the organization yethu SAPS sine structures esinye sazo sibizwa ngokuthi Men for Change and Women's Network. Umsebenzi wazo ukwenza ama initiative within the community noku strengthen ubudlelwane between our communities and form ama partnership. Sikhona ukuthi sincede lezo zikolo lezo ezidinga lezo insizakalo. So le initiative yenziwe yibo abalingani bethu labo sibabiza ngokuthi Men for Change, and then ba partnerisha nabo DWAS Refer and other departments like the Department of Health and Education for ukuthi sikwazi ukuthenga icathulo for abantwana besikolo. Akusi icathulo kuphela, kuningi including ama t-shirts, ama sokisi. So njengoba ngime lapha, like I said, imi uBrigadier Gwanya, title I'm the provincial head of human resource management. So lama structure ngikhuluma ngawo awela ngaphansi kwale component yami, but mina I'm representing the PC njengoba bengishiye. So uke washo former president wethu Nelson Mandela ukuthi education is very important, especially kubantwana abancane. Kumele sibuyele emuva siyotshala kuyingane zethu from kuma communities wethu la sibuya khona. Iloko esizama ukwenza ukuthi sibuyele back to our communities, sibuyele back to kuyikolo zethu la siqale khona, so that ilizwe lethu likhona ukudlondlobala.
Sichaba sa ko mashishini sa Thabacheu nna ke nna remember wa Hambengwa ke tswa ke le DWAS Refer mo ne ke represent le DWAS Refer le Buleng Trust. Re tlile mo mashishini ka back to school campaign ye ne re partnerile le Thabacheu municipality, SAPS, police sa rena SAPS le ba Department of Health and Department of Social Development, le ona mashishini radio re ba bitsa hore le bona re partnerile le bona, le also re partnerile hape le ba Phoenix. Ne re tlile mo o tlo delivera dignity mo baneng ba rena ba banyane. Re understand hore di community tsa rena a ska ofela mo re khona go fitlhela ore re support bana ba rena ka taba ya uniform and other things. Then today it was that joint venture, that partnership which was delivering taba ya ore re fe bana ba rena seriti ba ya sekolong, and re sa tlo buya hape le partnership le other government department re delivera lo tso tshwana le bo le sanitary pads mo dikolong. Other initiatives tse re na le tsona ke crime awareness tse re le deliverang, le bo le HIV AIDS awareness, health awareness re tla ka tsona ona mo kaofela tsona re le DWAS Refer Mine. We'll always do them in partnership with all those partners tse ke di mentionileng, and we invite all other companies that were not part of what happened today or little le rejoining, so that re ore Thabacheu le community ya rena ibe ko social level ya ko hodimo. We need to make a difference together. Really one really DWAS Refer ka se fitlhelle le masipala wa rena o le one o ka se fitlhelle, then we need to come and join each other. Together we can do more. Really lebo
ngiyacela letandla ngiyacela letandla ngiyacela letandla ngiyacela letandla ngiyacela letandla ngiyacela letandla sibonge kuleyo ndlela.
Today is a powerful reminder that the real change begins with simple acts and kindness. Ba re boditse dipoledi tse be di le mo bana ba rena, le nna ke le boditse nako ele ke sa le ruta kwa sekolong sa Marambane ba le gona mo, le dikolo tse dingwe bo Lesodi, Marifane, Kiwi, Sizo, Combined, Klipspruit. Re le boditse gore you need to respect your teachers, respect your parents, respect every elder in the community. Re mo holong ya setšhaba today re tlile go supporta initiative ya SAPS ba partnerileng le Vet Refer Doris Refir, and then go tlo thusha bana ka taba ya school uniform, more especially school shoes. So re ikwa re le motlotlo gagolo gore the subs, they form part of our stakeholders ba ile gore ba gata tema ya go bona bohlokwa gore bana ba rena ba ska ya sekolong ba sna dieta tša maleba. So re dira boipiletše gore ga e seke ya ba bona fela as one of our stakeholders, le di-stakeholder tše ding le tšona a di tše queue, and then ba bone gore le bona ba ka thuša ka eng. Ga se taba ya di-school uniform fela, we still have learners that are vulnerable, ba bang ga bana school uniform, ba bang ba ka tla ka tšeo le dinyakwa tše ding tša go swana le di-sanitary towels, like bašimane ba rena le bona re ba fa di-kits tša bona tša go hlapa, so that le bona ba be le dignity and ba feel gore le bona ba ratega mo setšhabeng, so that re avoid taba ele ya gore we are taking care of only the girls and we don't care about the boys, and at the end of the day ba boa ba abusa bana ba rena ba basetsana because they are growing up with anger.
My mother said, Cindy, make me some porridge using one hand. One day, my mother said, Cindy, make me some porridge using two hands.
Since the relevant Dwars as well as the SAPS, it comes as a huge relief on the parents who are unemployed and those who survive on grants. Uniform brings dignity. If abana siemo and dignity, they cannot be distinguishable as to the background where they come from. So it is just like this from our stakeholder groups and partners in education that make a significant impact in the lives of our children, especially those children who are at the primary school. Look, South Africa experiences a high rate of unemployment, so this is a welcome relief. But what we are also asking these children to do with the gifts that they've received is to take care of the shoes, keep them clean all the time, polish them. If they do not want them, they must donate to the child next door.
My name is Karen Stander. I'm representing myself as the current Mrs. Mpumalanga, and I'm also part of our team at Phoenix Flying Squad. And together with SAPS and the social crime officers, we are trying to make South Africa a better future for you, our future leaders. Thank you to the organizers, and also thank you to Warrant Officer Maduma for inviting us. Challenges are not a sign for you to stop. It's a sign that you are growing. So with that, I want to tell you a short story. When I entered Mrs. Mpumalanga, I did it at the last minute, as I explained to the pastor. So we were on holiday in Mozambique, and there was like 1 hour left of the day, and I thought, let's do this. And I did it because I felt like I needed a challenge, because I felt like everything I did every day was just the same thing. And it went very well, but it went well because I had a team that supported me. My husband, Jandrei Stander, also from Phoenix, Johan Nkosi from Phoenix, all the employees, my friends, my family. So together we can be stronger.
So Sinama partners la sebenza now from this side, also from the SAPS, and in conjunction also no mayor nae
was here to support the initiative because it's an initiative le izosiza umphakathi, izosiza even going forward ukuthi sibe ne partnership with the community so that the community siyenza nama awareness la zokhuluma ngama gender based, la zokhuluma ngama drugs, ama bullying esikolweni and all of those events. So you know, but just an initiative yokuthi assist umphakathi from our different regions as SAPS and as Men for Change and Women's Network. Kunama forums too, kuna Men for Change and then kuna Women's Network. So but we are all falling under the umbrella of SAPS. We are all in the SAPS organization and SAPS as a whole. So you know, but just an initiative kuti senze okuncane for our community and also for our kids.
Women's Network is part of an organization within SAPS that is assisting within the organization with GBV, with empowerment of employees within SAPS. Part of it, again, is social responsibility. So what we do when we identify a need in a community, we do our best to assist by maybe getting partners to be able to get whatever that we can to help those needy people that we identified. So in this case here, in Lydenburg, there was a need of school uniform or shoes and sanitary towels. So we partnered with the other partners that already maybe we know that they're going to assist so that we can be able to work with them. One thing that we do, again, we get that within the organization, members will donate money or donate, must not necessarily money by buying things. So even with these shoes, others will say, I will buy 2 shoes. Others will say whatever number of shoes that they will be buying in order to assist the kids. We believe that by lending to the poor, the word of God says, when you lend to the poor, God is going to reward you. So we believe that the children are our future, and when we see that they are struggling and we can do something, we give a hand to them so that they can be able to go to school with dignity, because when you go with confidence, you walk with confidence, it's very powerful for your mind as well. So a child who is confident, even the way they look, it makes them to concentrate in class. So that is what we are doing as Women's Network, and we want to continue doing that. This is something that we have started. We plan to do more of this even in other communities, and we will really appreciate for these partners that come out to say, let us do it, because we believe that when we do that, we are building the community, we are building the children, our future, that tomorrow we'll have these people that are responsible and they will continue with this legacy of helping.
My name is Karel Tabolanga, chairperson ekhaya eLydenburg, CPF. Namhla sila eMashishini Community Hall. Kuzonikeza abantwana ikhadula from kuma partnership from kuma mines like Botwars and Bophonics. Sibonga kakhulu lethuba lesilithola ngokuthi when coming to CPF izinto eziningi lezi nje ukuthi sihlutshwa umphakathi, but we don't have that support. But for today we have seen the support from other differences department ukuthi bakhona ukusinceda. Sithi naphambili akuqhubeke kungabi kwangule ku education, any issue le concern abahlali baseLydenburg sicela nathi sebahlali basemashishini si address that issue. Sibonga kakhulu lethuba lesilitholile. Sithi bantwana abasebenza impahla tabo kahle bakhona kuya esikoleni, ama future is the leaders of tomorrow's.
Okhulumayo Lindo Kuhle Ngwenya, umem teacher wase Marifan Primary School. Sithanda ukubonga kakhulu on what was happening today. Abantwana bethu abaneedy, they received igcathulo and school uniform. It's a great initiative because kunabantwana abaswelayo abaneedy ezikoleni zethu. Siyabonga kakhulu, and kwenzeke nokabanye siyabonga.